Hello, do you know what mezzano salata is? Today it's aubergine dip. Every other day it's an eggplant dip or salad. And welcome to Easy Delicious Cooking. My name is Alex and I love to cook. So let's get together and make food fun again.
Easy delicious cooking for my family, for my...
First thing we'll do is we'll bake the eggplant. So just put some holes in the outside, and these will go in the oven for at 180 degrees centigrade for usually about 45 to 60 minutes, depending on the size of the eggplant. So that was hard. I gotta tell you, this is a hard recipe. Yeah, it was hard to do that. Anyway, they're going in the oven now. Yeah, I'll just roughly chop this garlic up because it's all going to go in the blender. So the next thing I'm going to put in there is the red wine vinegar. And we'll prepare the lemon now. So the juice of one lemon and the zest. Now I like lemon, as I've said many times before. So that's up to you whether you put a whole lemon in or, just a portion of that. It's all up to you. So I've got the zest. So I'll put that in there to be blended, and I'm putting the juice of one lemon in there as well. Then I'll put a little bit of mild paprika in there. So what's left to go in there now? The olive oil, a little bit of salt, and we'll blend it all together and then taste it to see if it's what we want. The recipe calls for a quarter of a cup. So yeah, it's about a quarter of a cup. So now we'll blend this together and see what it ends up looking or tasting like or looking. Okay, so we'll blend this now and see if we're happy with it. Well, that blender was noisy, but anyway, what I've done is I've added a little bit of water because there wasn't enough liquid in it, and some pepper. So, oh, nice. Not too lemony. This will do finely. I'll start preparing the vegetables. The eggplants are in the oven. The dressing is already made. So now I'll just start dicing finely all the vegetables. We'll start off with the red onions. Anyway, the red onions are done. Enough of that. Put them aside. Now, all the vegetables are going to go in at the same time, so I'll just put them all in, finely dice them, put them all in the same dish. Capsicums. It's a very easy salad or dip because it will be used as a dip. It's easy to make. And once I've done the capsicums, I'll get back to you. Capsicums are done, the onions are done. Next thing I'll do is the tomatoes. Just cut them in half and basically just take the seeds out. And then slice them up or chop them up finely. So chop them up in about this particular size or this size, and in they go. Next thing we'll do is chop up the parsley. I'm going to leave some aside. I'll just stop for a second there just to check the eggplants. They've been in there for about 50 minutes. They're not ready yet. So this is what you do. The recipe says one thing. If for whatever reason it's not what you want, then you keep going. Okay, I've chopped up half the parsley, and then I'll do the other half. And like I said, I'll keep some aside for the garnish. So all the ingredients are prepared, the dressing's prepared. We'll just have to get the eggplant out of the oven now. They're not quite ready yet, so we have to wait. All right then. Okay, so there's the eggplants. And this is what I meant by soft. They're soft right through to the touch. So they're cooked inside. So now what we'll do is I'll grab one just to show you what I do. And they've cooled down a fair bit too, so they've been out for a while. And cut them in half. What I want that juice. I want that juice because that's all flavour. And there we are. The flesh is cooked, so I'll just spin it out. And I hope you can see what I'm doing. By putting it in this stainless steel bowl, I've kept all the juices in there as well. What I will do next is I'll get a different knife and a fork and just roughly just cut them up. Doesn't have to be, definitely doesn't have to be done finely. And there's one eggplant completely done. So now I'll do the other two and we'll start putting the salad together. Put that aside now just so that it can cool down a bit. Add all the vegetables in here, capsicums, tomatoes and the red onion. The parsley. And that salad dressing in that noisy blender. Mix it all in. And believe it or not, our salad is almost done. Or dip, because you can use that as a dip as well. The last thing, of course, is to taste it and adjust the seasoning if need be. I knew it was going to need salt, definitely need salt, but the lemon's there, the garlic's there. Maybe you can add more garlic, but that's your choice. Put more salt in. I've mixed it, I've tasted it, I've put salt in it. I will be putting a little bit more lemon in. And give this a little bit of time to settle. The flavours will blend in even more. Now that you know how to make this salad dip, you don't have to buy it again. Imagine the bragging rights that you tell everyone that you've made this at home. In fact, tell everyone, even the people that don't eat it, even the people that aren't in your home. Just tell them, I made it. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. This is Alex, obviously. Yeah, it's me. Oh God. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Till next time. Now that you know how to make this dip, I would suggest you tell everyone. Imagine the bragging rights. I made this at home. Tell everyone, even the people that weren't here to eat it. Just brag, I made this salad, it's mine. I can't give it a straight face. Oh, look, thank you for watching. Yeah, you know the story. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and until the next time. Bye for now. You should try this. This is so easy to make. Okay.
Easy, delicious cooking